So these are the average and range tiles. I'm going to show you how they work. So we've got these 3 lines in the middle, and you can build towers on these lines. And you can see as I build towers, the median and the range starts changing accordingly. I'm just using the arrow keys to quickly copy these. So it's important to know that the median and range is calculated correctly. So if, for example, I place these 2 blocks here onto the other tower here on the first one, the median and range hasn't changed because it does put these towers in order before it calculates the median range. So you can explore those misconceptions about the median being 3, for example, here. You can also put the totals on for each column if you don't want to add them all up, if you get some quite large towers, for example. And also you can have negative totals. So you get these red ones here which give you a negative tile value. A bit like the 2 colour counters, really. So here, this is demonstrating a range of 6. Now you don't need to put the red tile below the line, you just can do. I just think it helps to put it below the line so you can see this range of 6 more clearly. So that's the free play mode, and as you explore the different averages, you can check more boxes. You probably want to do one at a time like I do in lesson, and then just as your class gets more fluent at a particular average, you can interweave it with different averages as well as the minimum and the maximum as well. Then it gets you can change the number of towers you've got just by this n value here. So if you want to explore 5 different ones, you can have as many as you want, really. Up to 10 it goes to, and then down as far as 2. Now, this is all on free play mode at the moment, so you're kind of building your own averages. If you tick that off, then you get specific questions to have a go at. So turn the negatives off and the totals off, and just uncheck free play. Can you find a set of 5 integers where the median is 4 and no mode? So we want the middle tile to be 4 and there to be no mode. Now obviously this is not the median yet, but if I build these towers up here, so I'll put 1 there and 2 there, and then let's put, say, 5 on here. And then if I go, this is not quite right because I've got a mode of 5 at the moment. If I add 1 more, you'll see I've got no mode and a median of 4. So you can use your imagination to make quite complex questions by depending which of these checkboxes you click. Can we now make it so that it's got a range of 7 if I highlight the range button? So, well, yes, we can probably just keep adding to this one until the range is 7. Can we also make it with a mean of 5 as well? Well, let's put the totals on for this. So they're all going to need to add up to 25 in total. I've got 10 there, I've got 20 so far. So I need to add another 5 tiles somehow, but not change all the others. So let's add 1 to there, 1 to there, 1 to there, 1 to there. I need 1 more tile somewhere. I think I can add it there. There we go. We've got the mean 5. And we've got all of them green, basically. So your imagination is your only constraints with these kind of questions. You can have as many ends as you like, as many piles as you want, and you can have as many of the averages checked as you want. So you can see they're a really versatile resource, and you can teach the whole of your sort of basic mean, median, mode, and range through using the tiles. And it's really useful if the kids are playing along with, say, 2 colour counters as well.